Hello everyone, in today's video we're going to see what you can do if you want to recover your Tonkeeper wallet but you're having issues in that. So this video will be the solution for it. Now if you remember when you first of all made your Tonkeeper wallet, you were prompted to add a seed phrase. Now if you still have that seed phrase somewhere saved, it will help you in order to recover your Tonkeeper wallet. And if you do not have that phrase, we will still go through what you can do. Now, let's say you have that phrase. What you're going to do is, first of all, you'll just go on your Play Store or your App Store. You can download it from their Tonkeeper website as well, as you can see right here. And what you'll have to do is you'll just install it, and from there, you will create a new wallet. When you create a new wallet, you will complete all the prompts, and in the end, it will ask you to choose a password. Now from there, you will choose the import option where you will import your previous seed phrase. From there, you will add your seed phrase and then you will be redirected to your older Tonkeeper wallet with all of your wallet tokens as well. And congratulations, using that seed phrase, you have recovered your Tonkeeper wallet. Now, let's say you don't have that phrase, what you can do. The only two things that you can do in that way is that, first of all, you can just double check, and I'd recommend you to check everywhere where you might have written your seed phrase. You can check through any notebook, you can check your digital notes, you might have saved it somewhere. If you can find it, great. Just follow the previous steps that I've told you. If you still cannot find it, then unfortunately, the only thing that I can recommend you is contacting support. They can give you some general troubleshooting tips. They can give you some normal tips. They can tell you what you can do. Of course, do not give them your seed phrase as it is private and do not share it anywhere as well. If you cannot still log in, the only thing that you can do is just search for your seed phrase. If you find it, it'll be great. Otherwise, you'll have to open a new wallet. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.